Picture a situation where someone had a heart stroke, occupational injury, or sports injury and ended up having a partially mobilized upper limb. How could he perform regular day-to-day activities? What would happen to his domestic life, social life, and earning sources? Think of a scenario where doctors would have increased his hopes by saying that he can regain his upper limb motion by physiotherapy. The patient would be overwhelmed and wanted to get continuous treatment to regain his motions as soon as possible. Will his insurance cover up all the medical expenses, especially for weekly physiotherapy sessions? How about traveling expenses? What if he can perform standard rehabilitation exercises using a home-use wearable rehabilitation robotic device or an exoskeleton robot, which could increase his recovery rate? A wearable device that the physiotherapist from the hospital can monitor over internet and obtain the performance records of the patient and allocate the next set of exercises over internet. The patient could have saved a lot of money because he only needed to visit to the hospital for the routine checkups like in monthly or bi-monthly. The system will be very effective because most of the patients undergo the same set of rehabilitation exercises over and over again, particularly at the very early stage of the rehabilitation procedure. The problem with the many existing exoskeleton robots is the bulkiness. This is due to the conventional actuators such as electrical, hydraulic, and pneumatic actuators, which are expensive, less compact, and noisy. The twisted and coiled artificial muscles, or TCAMs, will be the next generation lightweight actuators. They can actuate using joule heating, that is heating by an external energy source. Carbon fiber and silicon rubber-based TCAMs have shown significant capabilities such as ability to lift 12,600 times of their weight and tensile stroke up to 60% with less than 0.2 volts per centimeter of contraction. Using TCAMs, we have developed a wearable lightweight rehabilitation glove for wrist rehabilitation. This device weighs only 135 grams, which is less than most of the present-day mobile phones. Our proposed device can perform wrist flexion extension and ulnar radial deviation and overcome the main drawbacks of the existing technologies, which is the weight. Further, this device is inspired by human forearm muscle arrangement, which is placed to optimize the metabolism. Following the same set of muscle arrangements using the TCAMs, we have minimized the use of energy to perform each intended motion. With the results of the validation, we believe that this technology will be popular among patients due to the cost effectiveness, lightweight, and compactness.